Hello, and this is Pankaj here. Today I have give you a deep information about Redeemly software. So guys, stay with me, and if you new on my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. In this video we discuss why this web app help you in your business. Whatever is your business, if you newbie or a professional. And if you want to watch demo video. So please check out my description link, and if you get this software from my link, I will give you my exclusive bonuses. And you will get 15% discount, if you get this software from my link. So today's problem-solving software is Redeemly. Redeemly leverages advanced AI technology to create smart, cardless loyalty programs, for businesses, to reactivate dormant customers and increase sales to existing customers automatically, and most important, why you will love Redeemly. And why you must try it, because this is a great way to help struggling businesses increase profits. This is the perfect way to help businesses that are struggling from the recent pandemic. You don't need any technical experience to set up a new cardless loyalty program, because the app does all the hard work. We'll show you how to land clients. Even if you have no sales experience and you're a total introvert, this service gets such great results that it sells itself. This is the perfect way to create a monthly recurring income stream in 2022. This is so simple, you can do it in your spare time. And friends, if you want to watch Redeemly demo video, then please check out my first video description link. And there are more information available about this software. Here you see how it work, why you need this software for boost your business. So let's move ahead. Redeemly will really excite you. Web-based app, so there's never anything to install or update. This is much easier than affiliate marketing. There's no waiting around, and you can get paid as soon as today for actually helping businesses. No technical skills needed, no email list needed, no building websites or complicated tasks like SEO, no buying ads or paying for traffic, no cold calling required. This is something that local businesses desperately need, more than ever before due to the recent pandemic, and practically sells itself. Once a campaign is activated, the app does all the work. So the money keeps flowing with just a few minutes required per day. This is the perfect way to create a life-changing monthly recurring income, without a lot of time or effort required. Their optimized funnel is here. So front end is called Redeemly Agency, available in $37. OTO 1 is Redeemly Deluxe, available in $67. OTO 2 is Redeemly DFY Agency, available in $67. OTO 3 is Redeemly White Label, that is available in $47 per yearly. And it's whole time available in $97, one-time payment. OTO 4 is Redeemly Client Finder, available $127 in yearly pack, and $197 in one-time payment. And last one is Bundle Pack, which is entire Redeemly funnel, available in $267. Here is full Redeemly funnel details. Front-end and OTOs. In front-end pack, you'll get 500 loyalty rewards. It is a cloud-based app that you access in any phone and computers. 500 customers limit, and you can add up to 50 business. Available for only 100 business staff, and etc. things available. But in OTO 1, you can create 500 businesses, unlimited business staff. 5,000 customers, unlimited customer segmentation. Unlimited loyalty campaigns. Unlimited digital saving card. Unlimited loyalty reward, and access unlimited QR codes. And, in OTO 2, you will get instantly find unlimited local leads that are willing to pay you $500 to $3,000 to set up Redeemly loyalty campaigns for their business. And in OTO 3, you access professional agency website, DFY hosting and DFY subdomain. And in OTO 4 you will get rebranding capabilities, ready-made sample proposal, print-ready commercial graphics template, highly optimized cold call email sequence, high-paying client video course, plus white label rights, pimp to sell telemarketing scripts. And last but not the least, a bundle pack. In this bundle you get the entire Redeemly funnel upgrade, at a one-time discounted payment, over 75% off. So friends, if you interested in this software, so please check my description link to get this software. And if you purchase it from my link, I will give you my exclusive and custom bonuses, along with Redeemly's bonuses. So check out description link and get your Redeemly before offer will end soon.